Welcome to our comparison video where we pit the UREVO Under Desk Treadmill against the RHYTHM FUN Foldable Treadmill. Today's showdown is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, aiming to help you decide which treadmill fits your under-desk fitness journey the best. When it comes to affordability, the RHYTHM FUN Foldable Treadmill edges out with a price tag of $369, compared to the UREVO Under Desk Treadmill's $399. For those watching their budget closely, RHYTHM FUN offers a slight advantage in the price department. The UREVO Under Desk Treadmill is celebrated for its double shock absorption system, providing a cloud-like running experience. Meanwhile, the RHYTHM FUN Foldable Treadmill offers a wide running belt, giving users more freedom and space. Depending on your preference for comfort or space, each has its unique appeal. Both treadmills boast quiet motors, but the RHYTHM FUN Foldable Treadmill takes the lead with a slightly more powerful 2.5 HP motor compared to UREVO's 2.25 hydrogen phosphide. If speed and power are your criteria, RHYTHM FUN might be the better choice. Tech integration is a key feature for many users. The UREVO Under Desk Treadmill connects to the UREVO Sport app, while the RHYTHM FUN Foldable Treadmill syncs with the Ypoofit app. Both treadmills offer a way to track your fitness journey, but your app preference might sway your decision. Convenience is where RHYTHM FUN shines, boasting a no assembly required feature, making it an ideal choice for those who dread the idea of assembly. Both treadmills are foldable, but RHYTHM FUN's ease of setup gives it a slight edge in this category. In summary, the UREVO Under Desk Treadmill is praised for its quiet operation, ease of use, and comfort. It's seen as a valuable tool for those seeking a simple, affordable indoor walking solution. On the other hand, the RHYTHM FUN Foldable Treadmill is lauded for its smooth operation, convenient features, and quick setup. It's recommended for individuals looking for a compact feature, rich treadmill for active working or home fitness. Which treadmill will you choose to enhance your under-desk fitness routine? The UREVO with its comfortable run and tech connectivity, or the RHYTHM FUN for its power and convenience right out of the box? Let us know by hitting the like button, subscribing for more comparisons, and leaving a comment with your preference and reasons. Check the description for product links to make your choice easier. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best choice is the one that gets you moving.